Yo, what up, what up? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while since I posted or even kept you guys up to date with what's going on, so let's get into it. Here's the breakdown. I took the CRX out with my brother and the homie Kevin. We went to go test for Thanksgiving races, and unfortunately, I rod knocked. The short block was sent out to JSR Engines to get inspected, and it was all bad. The bearing clearances were super tight, and there was shavings all over the oil pan. It was just beyond done. Golden Eagle said that there's no hope in saving the crank. The pistons, the rods, it was all done for. I know it seems a little confusing as to who put the first short block together, but I'm unaware of who did. I bought the engine used for 800 bucks, and I can't complain because I'm still up on parts, labor, etc. With all that said and done, moving forward, I'm excited to see the end result. As you guys can see, we got the new cams, pistons, rods, throttle body, manifold, header, etc. Everything is completely different. I'm not going to go into spec or detail on what this new engine has in it. I'm just excited to see the end result because the last set of the 233 all motor E85. I know 233 seems a little bit underpowered for a stroker setup, but the engine was choked up. We had small bolt-ons and KV's dyno reads a little bit low. It probably made a little bit more than 233. In my opinion, the car was quick. It was a torque monster and I enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun. I did a lot of things off camera that you guys didn't see.
It's not gonna start right now, so. Oh, we got a leak! We got a leak! We got a leak!